I'm with actually my patient who's a doctor who have done, it was my pleasure to do her hair restoration. It's been 7 months since she did it. So she's here to do her PRP. So how are you doing, doctor?
Thank you. I'm doing well actually.
Yes.
The recovery has been quite smooth actually. I missed a few of my PRP appointments in between thanks to COVID. But then now I'm catching up with my PRP. But I can see there's actually a lot of growth, small baby hairs.
Yes.
I can feel it in my hands.
Yes.
So I'm actually quite looking forward to it.
Yes.
To see the full growth of it. So,
yes. Actually, in female, the results is somehow a little bit slower compared to male. But don't worry, surely you'll see the results. And because in between of the thanks to COVID, like we said, you have missed 2 or 3 PRP, but then you have come back now, and I've seen some very good results. And let's hope for more results. And thank you so much, doctor. And I'm actually so excited. Whenever I get a fellow doctor that I'm doing the procedure, I get very excited.
thank you, doctor.
Okay, you also thank you to
so
you.
much for having me.
Yeah, you're most welcome. So thank you so much for this small video. Thank you.